Mixed reality is revolutionizing education, impacting the lives of thousands of students every day. And at Engage, we're proud to be leading this transformation. In collaboration with our partners at Meta, Logitech, and Optima Education, we're delivering exceptional value to both students and teachers by equipping them with cutting-edge tools that combine immersive learning with the latest AI technologies. Engage provides a powerful, user-friendly platform that enables educators to easily create and deploy immersive lessons within secure virtual environments. Using a blend of templated assets, traditional media, and AI-powered creation tools, educators can bring lessons to life with minimal effort. Through our partnership with Optima Education, we also offer access to the world's largest immersive educational content library, featuring thousands of 3D learning models and hundreds of curriculum-aligned experiences designed to enhance student engagement and outcomes. Engage also comes preloaded with our School of AI, enabling students to engage in fully unscripted learning experiences by conversing with notable historical figures in accurately recreated environments powered by generative AI.
Many a tale of love, betrayal, and ambition.
Provide your students the tools they need today to be successful in tomorrow's immersive AI world. Visit our website to find out more.